Hello guys, welcome to the second day of our series, Selenium series. The on day one we have covered regarding the static dropdown, and on day two we'll cover the auto suggestive dropdown part. So, yeah, welcome to the channel. So let's get started. So as I have told earlier, in the auto suggestive dropdown, if suppose I enter a text, so it will suggest me some options. So I have to select option from this. Suppose I have pasted IND over here, so it is giving me three options. So how I can select India or British Indian Territory or Indonesia from here, that I'm going to code now today. So yeah, let's get started with the coding part. So let me create another class. So it will be a photo suggestion drop down, and we'll take the main method also. Drop down, sorry, finish. So the class is created, and let me just copy and paste some of the parts of this up till this. And so yeah. So basically what we need to do this, we have to inspect this box first, and we have to send the text IND so that it will reflect three of the options. So we have to pass it in the send keys section. So yeah, so let's just take its XPath. So while I'm inspecting this, so here you can see that input type text ID autocomplete. So take an unique ID, that is placeholder equals to type select countries, type to select countries. So I will take that. So placeholder, tag name, then at the rate, attribute, sorry, tag name is input, sorry, my bad. We got a good response on the previous video, so you guys please like our videos, so share also, and subscribe to our channel. We are putting a lot of efforts. Amit, you can pitch in also.
Yeah, fine.
So here it is inspecting that particular element. So I will take that, Control C. Yeah, Amit, you
So
are saying
I
something.
just have one doubt. Okay, so first of all, like we
Yeah.
need to discuss like what is difference between auto suggest and simple drop down box, because like our
Yes.
audience should know that one.
Okay. So auto suggestive means while putting something, it will let me just go to that page for better clarity. So static drop down means, as I have told in the earlier video, static drop downs, the options are fixed. But in auto suggestive drop down, if I put something here, suppose IND, I put IND over here, so it will suggest me some options. So these are not fixed. So I can put random values and it will suggest random options. Suppose I would put AUS, it will suggest two options. So this is basically the difference. So here
Okay.
the options are not fixed.
So mostly like we'll
So
be seeing in Google search page, right? So if you're
yes,
searching
Google
anything,
search page.
it will
Yeah.
auto suggest, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, yes. Okay. So Control Z, then by dot xpath dot xpath, and then I'll put that particular expression over here, the xpath expression. So this is the particular, and I will send keys, like suppose I will send keys as IND. Okay. So let me just run through this particular step, and let's see if it is putting the value IND, or the pop-up is I'm getting the pop-up or not. Okay, sorry, not the pop-up, but the options. So here it is. Oh, yeah, you can see the options are getting reflected. Okay.
Yeah,
So
we can use maximize, right? Like it will come on the like what pages.
yes, that we can use. Uh, so
Driver dot
driver
manage
dot manage dot maximize
window, right? Huh?
dot sorry dot window
Yeah,
dot window dot
maximize.
maximize. Yes, so it will maximize basically. So it will open in a full screen. So yeah, so basically, so after that, what we need to do is, so we have to inspect. So after putting India IND over here, so it reflects three options. Basically this. So we have to basically inspect this particular option so that we'll get idea how the XPath look like, and we'll store each of the value into a list and we'll iterate over that list. And for a particular value, we'll I mean, if that particular value is reflected, then we'll click on that. That is basically the concept over here for the auto suggestive dropdown. So suppose I'm getting India over here and I'm inspecting this. So here you can see it is under UI menu item li. Class name is UI menu item. So if I will post like this, so you can see that it is under UI menu item. So the three items are mentioned over here. That is British Indian territory. You can see, and India also there. And the last option you can see over here is Indonesia. The three options are there. So we have to take the common XPath. So here I can see that the common XPath is like this. This class is the common XPath. So Control F. So I will write like this. We'll take this Control C slash li and then at the rate class equals then Control V UI item. So yeah, as you can see, it is reflecting three of the options. That is the three options basically. And we'll take this XPath. So let me just take this XPath. And here we'll take the find elements instead of find element because it is taking three of the elements. So by dot XPath, and then we have to paste that particular XPath over here, and we'll just save it in a list. So you guys must be knowing that the find elements class has a return type that is list. So it will store. So these are particular web elements. So we'll store that particular web elements over here. Return type is web element. So I'm taking the web element. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
So Amit.
Angam, can we increase the font of our words? But we else we can do later. Okay, fine, no issues.
Fonts, I don't know how
Okay, leave
to.
it, leave it, leave it. Later we'll do for
Okay.
the next videos.
Okay, so these are basically the country options. I'm putting the name. Okay, and import the list from java.util, web elements from Selenium organization.selenium, and find elements of there. So we are storing all the values in a list. Okay, so that we can take. We can take the options the desired option from that particular list. So we'll take a for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than country option. Let me copy this. Control C. Okay. Dot size as it is a list. Then I plus plus. Okay. So we are iterating over that loop, and so we'll put a condition if country Let me again paste it. Country option dot get I index, that is the first index, dot get text dot equals. So we are expecting, I'm expecting, suppose I'm expecting India. So let me just check the spelling of it. So this is the spelling basically, capital I. So I'll put capital I, India, and then if that option is equals to India, then we simply need to click on that particular option. So country, let me just copy country option dot get I, that particular I dot click. So this is basically the operation we are doing. So these are basically simple steps. First, you need to find the element of that particular box and the desired send keys you want to send. And then you have to iterate all the options after putting that particular text in it and store it in a list. Iterate over that list, and whenever you see that particular option you want to select that option and simply click on that. Let me save it and run it. Let's see how it behaves. So it is maximized. So it has put India, IND, and it has to select India. Okay.
So I think you need to put some proper weight
Yes,
before.
I
Yeah,
think we need to put some sleep over there.
yeah.
So let's just wait for a couple of minutes. It is still executing, I guess.
Okay, fine. Let us wait. So guys,
Yes.
meanwhile, I'm getting few interview questions here. So uh, the first interview question is the difference between find elements. Okay. So find element generally used for a single wave element. Find elements is used for the group of wave element.
Group available.
Yeah.
Yes.
Another
So
is,
let's
yeah. Please go ahead.
so let's let me just terminate this. I will put a thread dot sleep. Thread dot sleep is not recommended, but as it is not wait, I mean taking some time, so I am putting the sleep over here and
You can put
and a
implicit
throws.
weight also.
Yes, I can put implicit wait, but let's
Okay, fine.
just for convenience, I am putting the thread dot sleep over here.
Okay, okay.
So let me just rerun this.
Angam, the brightness of your screen is fine, okay? Or can we increase it?
Yeah, let's just mean wait for it to, and
Okay, okay.
again I when I will, okay, yeah.
Let us
Let me
wait for the
just
execution
increase.
part.
Yes.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah.
So how many time we have given? Wait, 10 seconds.
That is, yes, I have given
Oh,
10 milliseconds.
okay. So let's see if it is not getting selected, then we need to check the console, okay, like what error we are getting or why it is not getting selected. Some
Yes.
warning is
So we
coming,
need
right? Unable to find the exact match of CDP. means Chrome development protocol version. So
Yes.
there is some issues with your uh, browser, it seems. So maybe your browser not is compatible with the Selenium whatever you're using. Or is it okay?
Yes, I think so. That is the compatibility issue, I
Yeah,
guess.
compatibility
So,
issues. Yeah.
I don't know because this is the basic method.
Okay, fine. No
So
issues. Actually, we have covered the whole concept. So anyway,
yeah.
okay, fine.
So I think there's some issue.
Okay,
I don't know.
let it be. Okay.
Yep.
So Angam, so generally in the first class we discussed about the static drop-down box, where like
Yes.
we have the three different options, like we can select by value, select by index, or select by visual text. But in
Yes.
auto suggestions, let's take example of Google search, where we are suppose we are searching any particular item, so we'll get lot of suggestion. So in that
Yes.
suggestion, we need to select that one. Like let's say the country, India. So
Yes.
it started with three different options. So we need to select that particular web element, and we have to navigate to that one. So
Yes.
anyway, we have actually covered the topic. Okay,
Yes.
and
Let me just give it another try running
okay,
it.
let's
So
try like
let's try with another option.
okay, let's
Let's
see.
see if it is working or not. So
Okay,
else, well, I mean, try to resolve the issue, or else we can try another methods also. So let
okay.
me just rerun this. So this is the warning I'm
Yeah, this
getting.
is
So
okay. Fine, fine. I got these issues. Okay, so
yep.
to resolve it, okay,
Hmm.
because you might have updated your browser. Okay, you have not like checked out from browser update, and your browser got updated. So
Yes.
you need to check. Okay, in the Selenium, you have to go to the Selenium HQ, official website, where you need
Yes.
to check the like which version is compatible with Selenium. Sorry, uh, browser Chrome 130, right? So
Hmm.
just Google it now.
Yes, I'm
Just
just
try.
Googling it. Why that error is coming? So
Yeah.
let me just Google it.
Okay. See, like whatever. So it is saying like if you are getting the error unable to find an exact match of CDP version
Hmm.
130, returning the closest. Okay, just go up. Let me read it for our audience.
Unable to find the exact match. So downgrade your Chrome browser to previous browser
Yeah,
version, or update the Selenium version that supports CDP version of
yeah.
130. So
So
basically what we
guys,
need to do is we have to search for the Selenium version that supports CDP 130. So
so
let me just,
which Selenium version you are using currently?
I am using 4.22 as I have shown in the previous lecture.
Just
So
Google
Selenium version that supports CDP 130. Let me just Google it. And it is saying that
4.25.
4.25. So we have to uh, get that jar.
So
Basically, let
you
me
can do
just,
one thing, Angam. Just go to the
yeah.
form.xml file, and there just you update the version. Don't need to copy
Yeah,
that
okay,
one.
okay.
Simply it
Okay,
will
so I
get
am
downloaded.
just updating
Yeah, 4.25.
4.25 and just saving it. It is getting built.
Yeah.
So we'll just wait.
If you want, you can check into the jar files whether like it is already it is got updated, or you have the older Selenium version only. I think after build, your Selenium version will get updated. So no need to copy the
Yes, that,
dependency again. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Just for our viewers' convenience, I will just show them.
Okay, fine, no issues.
Yes. So this is the version basically 4.25. It is not getting opened.
Okay, fine, I'll write. We need to copy it from here and paste into pom.xml file.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Yeah, it is getting
yeah,
opened
yeah,
here. So this is
yeah.
basically the dependencies. This
Just
we have put in.
just copy it now.
Yeah, okay. So for your convenience, guys, this is the same, exactly the same that we have in the pom.xml. That this is the one.
Yeah,
So yeah, no need to copy.
just replace it once.
Okay, okay, sure,
Okay,
sure.
fine. There is no issue, but just replace it once. See.
Okay. And the dependencies we have to remove from this and control. So let me just save it.
Okay, save.
Yeah, it is saved now. So we can run now.
Now run. We see we are getting the same
Yeah,
issue, or
yeah, it is getting built. Just wait for a few minutes. It will start the execution. Yeah, the execution is started. So it is saying the same error, unable to find the exact CDP version of 128. So I don't know
okay, fine.
why.
Angam, it's okay. It's okay. It's happened sometime. Okay, it's
Yep.
happened sometime.
So
Means there is issue with the compatibility of software. That's it. Rest everything is fine. Okay.
yeah, let's just try with another option. Let's just see one more time,
Okay. Let's see.
and let me just save it and run it again. Don't know. The same warning is coming. I don't know. So I don't know why it is coming, but this is the method basically what I use for auto suggestive dropdown. So
Okay. Anyway,
yeah,
uh, we'll conclude here. We'll make next video. Okay.
yes.
Where we will resolve this CDP 130. So
Yeah.
this is in
We'll
yeah.
resolve this CDP issue
So
and we'll
this
rerun it again
yeah, yeah.
in
So
the next lecture.
this
Yes.
will be a learning for all of us. So guys,
All of us, yes.
mostly what happened, like those who are working with the Selenium, they'll the this is one of the challenges we have faced in automation. So let's say
Yes.
uh, you are using different uh, Chrome version or any browser version, and your Selenium, particular Selenium version, it should be compatible with that version. So it is a like really a challenging situation. So every time you need to be make sure either you like you don't update your browser, you just make it off, so your browser is not updating. So that is also a good condition, we can say it. And if your browser is updating, then also you need to check that you have to update your uh, Selenium version as well. So you have to go to the Selenium HQ website or Selenium GitHub. There you need to check like which version of Selenium is compatible with that particular browser. So now we are saying like Angam is using Chrome drive, Chrome browser, which version is 130, and it is not compatible with whatever he is using Selenium version. So nothing
Yes.
to worry, Angam. It happens, okay,
Yes.
because we are
So
working in a.
basically, this is a task for you guys, those who are
Yeah.
watching. So try resolving the issue.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So yeah, we'll come up with the solution in the next lecture. So
Sure, sure,
yeah,
sure. And it's an interesting situation in life. Okay, earlier we had practiced it
yeah,
and it was working fine. Sometime it
yep.
happens. Okay, so might you
Mhm.
have today you have some you have done some update in your browser. Anyways,
Yes.
Angam, thank you so much for giving your time. And we
Yes.
are concluding this video here. We'll come with the solution of this particular uh, mm, warning in the next.
Particular thing in the next lecture,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
do you guys try solving it? So if you find anything, please comment down how you
So,
resolve it.
guys, you are
So
free to comment down in the comment section. Okay,
yes,
and how you are liking our videos, and
yeah,
we will not
it will
leave you.
boost.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will boost our also confidence, and will learn basically from each other. So yeah,
So,
it'll boost up our also.
so
Is
what actually we are doing, like earlier we used to have this theoretical part. Now we have come up with this the coding part. So mostly we'll concentrating on coding part of Selenium. So maybe in
yes,
some time, like in real time, we can face some issues. Right now we are facing that one. And guys, if you try to resolve it now, okay, it may take uh, a lot of time, and our video can be like become lengthy and it will be boring. So in the next
yes,
video, we'll come with the solution of this particular warning message. So,
yes.
so meanwhile, um, Angam, we
Stay
are
tuned,
conclude.
guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
stay tuned for the next videos. Okay, and we'll try to add one video every day. So,
every day.
guys,
Yes,
yeah. So this is our challenge. Both of us, we have
yeah,
taken this challenge. We'll be adding one video every day,
every
and
day,
that will
and
include the Selenium WebDriver concept.
yes, so
So
we'll
don't,
include all these concepts.
yeah.
Those are asked in the interviews. So we'll upload every, we will upload one of the concept every day. So yeah, it will, for our learning purpose also, it will increase, and also the viewers, those who are watching, you will be also benefited. So yeah,
Okay,
basically
fine,
that's
Angam.
our motto. Yeah,
So we are concluding here, guys. See you in the next
yeah.
video.
See
Please
you in the
don't
next video.
forget to subscribe. Okay,
Subscribe. Yes.
subscribe it, like it.